This is the Stronghold Digital Mining Daily Update. Today is Friday, June 2nd, 2023. Now, typically I'd create this type of update after the closing bell. It is not, however, past the closing bell. I'm looking at the chart right now. It appears as if though we're making a late day rally. We're currently trading at about where are we at? $5.80 a share on 68,000 shares traded. Let's see how we close at the end of the day. I did take a look. Some of our peers, such as say like the Marathons of the world, the Riots of the world, they've all kind of been struggling today as well. So that's something to take into consideration as we evaluate the performance of our own stock. But it'll yet to be seen how we close for today. Hopefully, knock on wood, maybe we could close up above $6 a share. We shall see. Okay, let's put up our slide. So over the past 24 hours, PJM Penelec, which is of course where Scrubgrass is located, grid pricing has been around $35.84. That's a 24-hour average since about 3 o'clock yesterday, and that's up from yesterday. Now, PJM PP&L, which is of course the zone in the PJM grid where I happen to live and where the Panther Creek plant is located, grid prices there have been $32.04 on average the past 24 hours. That's also up as compared to yesterday. Bitcoin priced in dollars per megawatt hour down to $72.91. I did notice that the network hash rate seems to have exploded a bit, so I think that is likely weighing on our Bitcoin priced in dollars per megawatt hour. Finally, Bitcoin over the past 24 hours has been trading just under $27,000 at $26,991. That's actually slightly up as compared to yesterday. Okay, back on me now. So there are a lot of really cool things to look forward to as we march our way through the month of June. One of the really big things is going to be now in the middle of the month of June by around June 15th. My expectation is that the second half of the Canaan quasi-hosting arrangement. It's not really hosting, it's better than hosting. It's the ultimate win-win for everybody involved. The final 200 petahash of that transaction, of that deal, should be installed by roughly around June 15th of this month. If not, who knows, maybe a little bit sooner. So that's what's on my radar, at least as of right now, as we kind of make our way further into the month of June. I'm also conscious of the fact that this is really the last month in Q2 2023. So one factor that we know that we can do this, it's not entirely clear just how much we're choosing to do this, is that perennial question of, hey, are we going to be importing power from the grid? Or alternatively, will we be producing our own electricity in an effort to net out? That's sort of a bit of a technical thing related to our relationship with the PJM grid. You know, are we producing our own electricity and using that to mine Bitcoin? You know, what might that balance look like? We do have a formula that we've been provided, right, to make that determination. But we need to bear in mind that there are going to be circumstances sometimes in which a plant might simply be generating electricity itself, despite grid prices potentially being lower than our net cost of power. To that end, I do want to make a quick announcement. I'm creating a sub-channel that's literally called O&M, and you'll see the little graphic come up on the screen. So the goal of this particular sub-channel, so to speak, is to really do some deep dives into the operations and maintenance of Stronghold Digital Mining, specifically what's going on at Scrubgrass, what's going on at Panther Creek, and our multiple data centers. So that's something to look forward to. Okay, let's stay positive, let's be great, and we will probably see each other over the weekend, and I'll sort of leave you in suspense as to what the circumstances of that might be. Otherwise, though, as usual, we'll see each other on Monday. Until then, just stay positive and let's all be great. All right, see you then.